Imagine you're cleaning out your wallet. You find a bunch of loose change, a few bills, and maybe even a gift card or two. It's a small but important part of your financial life. Now, imagine a digital version of that wallet where you can track and manage all your cash, cards, and even gift cards. That's where a cash account in PocketGuard comes in. Ever wondered, where did all my cash go? Well, today, we're diving into the world of cash accounts in PocketGuard and finding out exactly how they can help you keep track of your finances and reach your financial goals. What is a cash account? A cash account in PocketGuard is essentially a digital representation of your physical wallet. It's a place where you can add all your cash, cards, and gift cards. By doing so, you are creating a comprehensive overview of your spending habits and making it easier to identify areas where you can save money. Why use a cash account? Track your cash. The most obvious benefit of using a cash account is that it helps you track your cash spending. No more wondering where your money went. Manage cards and gift cards. In addition to cash, you can also add your cards and gift cards to your cash account. This gives you a complete picture of your spending habits. Set spending limits. PocketGuard allows you to set spending limits for your cash account. This can be a great way to stay on top of your budget and avoid overspending. Identify spending patterns. By tracking your spending in a cash account, you can easily identify patterns and trends. This information can help you make informed decisions about your finances. How to set up a cash account. Setting up a cash account in PocketGuard is simple. Just follow these steps. Open the PocketGuard app. Tap the Add Account button. Select Cash Account. Enter the name of your cash account. Add your cash, cards, and gift cards. Tips for using a cash account effectively. Add all your cash, cards, and gift cards. To get the most out of your cash account, make sure to add all your financial instruments. Set realistic spending limits. When setting spending limits, be realistic about your income and expenses. Review your spending regularly. Check your cash account regularly to identify spending patterns and areas where you can save money. Use PocketGuard's other features. PocketGuard offers a variety of features, such as budgeting, bill tracking, and debt management. Use these features in conjunction with your cash account to get the most out of the app. How a cash account helped me save money. Share a personal story or a real-life example of how someone used a cash account in PocketGuard to save money. This could be a story about someone who was able to cut back on unnecessary spending, pay off debt, or reach a financial goal. A cash account in PocketGuard is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. By tracking your cash, cards, and gift cards, you can identify spending patterns, set spending limits, and save money. So, what are you waiting for? Start using a cash account in PocketGuard today and see how it can help you reach your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.